In this video we are going to study about earthquake analysis of building. For that, first of all go to define load pattern and add seismic load pattern here. Select type as seismic and select code IS 1893-2016. Then add new load. Then click on modify lateral load. Here select only X and Y direction. Seismic coefficient added as per code. We will add 0.1, soil type as type 2, importance factor as 1, response reduction factor as 3. Now again we will go to define. Here we can see seismic load case is added. We will just check load combinations 1. Here we can see seismic load is added. Now we will analyze the structure. Analysis will take some time as there are many elements in building. Here we can see analysis is done, and in this 3D view we can see displacement in mm. We can also see bending moment and shear force as we have seen earlier. Once analysis is done, we will go to design. Just check whether IS 456 is added. Then go to design, concrete frame design, start design. As we have selected auto select properties for beam and column sections, software will automatically detect best column or beam section. As we can see, analysis is done. We can see longitudinal reinforcement in beam. This is the simplest way to design building for earthquake. In this video, we are going to perform earthquake analysis using response spectrum method. For that, first of all go to define load pattern, check whether seismic load is added or not. Then again go to define functions, select response spectrum. Here select IS 1893-2016. Add new function, name it as response spectrum. Select parameters as per your location. Now go to define load cases, add new case, select load case type as response spectrum, add, select function as response spectrum. Scale factor is calculated by using formula which is I into G divided by 2R. For this building, scale factor is 1633.5. Again, add one more case for Y direction. Select as U2. Directional combination type select as CQ, CS. Check whether model damping is 0.5. Now response spectrum case is added. As we have analyzed building for dead load and live load earlier, and in this case we are going to analyze only for response spectrum method. Go to analyze, set load cases to run. Here select dead and live load as do not run, and then run the building for response and seismic and response spectrum method. Once analysis is done, we can see displacement here. After this, go to design, check whether IS456 is selected, then again go to design, select start design or check. As you can see, design is completed. Longitudinal reinforcement are there. Once design is completed, check whether our members are passed. Here we can see all concrete frames passed the design check. In this way, we can complete response spectrum analysis of building. We will perform earthquake analysis using time history method. First of all, unlock the model, then go to define load pattern, see whether seismic load is added or not, modify lateral load, select only X direction as we have only X direction data available. Now again go to define functions, time history. Here select from file, add new function. Here we will browse the file. This file is available in the description. Here we can see after 9 lines actual example is started, so we will select header lines to skip as 9. Also we will select number of points per line as 1, characters per item as 10. We will name it as time history. This file is time history example of Bhuj earthquake. Then we will go to define load cases. Here I have already added time history. We will again add it. Just go to add new case. Name it as time history. Select load case type as time history. Add. As we have considered only one direction, we don't need to add two cases. Select function as time history. Scale factor, as we have calculated earlier, is 1633.5. Also modal damping is 5%. In this way load case is added. Now we will go to analyze. We will analyze only for seismic and time history. Once analysis is done, we can see analysis result in display. Here we can see combined story response. Just press exit. Now once analysis is done, we can go for design. Just check whether IS456 is added. Then go to design, start design. Here we can see longitudinal reinforcement are there. Design is completed. In this way, using time history of Bhuj earthquake, we have completed the analysis of our building. Thank you.